Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to share with you some of the things I'm working on. And two of the things I have made are these little lamps. And yes, it's dark in here for a reason, so you can see the lamp. But all it is just I covered a bottle with some laces and things, but it is really came out very pretty. It's pink and white, but it's looking red on here. I'll turn a little side light on now and see if it shows up as pink and white. But I was really happy with the way it came out because I get a lot of requests for the pink and white ones. And then the next one I made, let me turn this off, is larger, right? Much larger. This is what I call my lover's lamp. It has the lace wedding dress appliques, some red roses, and of course it also lights up. And I normally sell these in craft shows, but I'm thinking of making some for some of my sales if there's any interest in them. But I love making these. They're very relaxing. And these are new bottles. These are not recycled bottles, so we've never had anything in them. But yeah, I'm happy with the way they're coming out. And if I turn this light off a second, you can see it just really, the appliques just jump off of it when it's in the dark. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way they came out, and I just wanted to share them. And hopefully I'll be doing another sale toward maybe Monday, I hope. It's going to be a lot of dollar items again, and probably some $2 items. But yeah, it's still destashing, so I'm going to try for Monday. I know the sale's going on this weekend. I was going to try to do it this weekend, but since there's other sales going on, I'll wait and try to do one Monday. If not, maybe next weekend, and then I'll have a whole lot more. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.